Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CHILIZ. Just going to dive into CHILIZ. Once again, thank you for your continued support across the board right here on CHILIZ. It's amazing. Thank you for helping to contribute towards the growth here of CHILIZ. So it's all good. It's all golden. So right now, diving into CHILIZ, you can see, I'm not going to lie to you, just looking at those EMAs, you're still a little bit overextended. It's starting to look a lot healthier than it was, okay, when we took CHILIZ on up here. It was very, very overextended, okay, and hence that's why you've rolled and you've come back. And what you're doing right now, you're holding a key level of support. Look at where the 20 EMA is on the weekly time frame right now for CHILIZ. It's good. It's golden. You're back testing. You're holding support. You're starting to retrace. It's going to get choppy. It's going to get up and down. I did say that to you. You know, it's not going to be an easy straight up to these price predictions right here, because what you got to appreciate is, and if you do look into the charts now at crypto, you will see certain projects that are going up, and they're going up because they've not gone through that phase that CHILIZ has gone through. You've got to appreciate that CHILIZ absolutely come out the traps and bolted, and it's had it like its little its first phase of its bull run, so to speak, where it's going to hit a level of consolidation, back test, hold support for continuation to the upside in the later part of this bull run that we find ourselves in. So it's all good. The key level you need to watch, obviously, on your chart is if you start to roll and you lose a 20, okay, that's not a good thing. That's like a precursor that you're entering a really, really big downtrend. But you can see there's an enormous amount of support here for CHILIZ at the moment, and in all of this consolidation, because this is what it is, consolidation, sideways, chop, up, down, left, right, shakes out the weekends, okay. And I see people are getting frustrated, but rest assured, let me reassure you that you're looking golden for continuation, just like Cardano, okay. Cardano went up, made the high, and it's slowly creeping along. After 10 weeks, it's beginning slowly to creep up and look like it's on the verge of breaking out, and that could come relatively soon. And if you look at Cardano and it taking off to the moon, that's confluence to the fact that CHILIZ is going through the same process where you've got overextended, you're consolidating before absolutely overshooting up there to the moon there towards them price predictions, future price predictions for CHILIZ. Because don't forget where CHILIZ has come from. You know, it was down there trading at 1 cent last year in November, a few months ago. You know, several months ago it was down there trading at 1 cent, okay, and it absolutely bolted up like to 92 cents. It went up like 92 at 90x basically. Ridiculous, okay, so you've got to apply a bit of common sense. Overextended, allow the EMAs to creep back up and get this extension sorted out, because like I said to you, this extension is not healthy. You know, it doesn't lead to more continuation if you're overextended. It needs to sort of come back, consolidate, withdraw, you know, and get the RSI sorted as well. Look at the RSI now starting to come back down into the mid-range. Look what's going to happen when you get down to that mid-range, the potential upside that you've got for CHILIZ, and like it's on its way down, and when it gets down there you can see that move. If you get that move again, look where you could end up. You could end up there at that $5, which is what we're predicting here in CoinsKid for CHILIZ since we began. We've basically be up there with that price prediction. So I don't need to go over again why I've given you that price prediction, but you're looking good for it, providing you're coming down into the RSI here, into the mid-range. The MACD's rolling a bit, starting to come back down to gravity, okay, back down to earth for that continuation where it could potentially roll and get that repel from the bearish cross and just march onwards and upwards. The RSI shoots up into space to the overbought again. That was whopping. I mean, look at that level there at 99, you know, completely overextended. In any sense, you're fortunate really that it's not rolled over, okay, because it was so overbought and so overextended that it could have absolutely fell through the floor there. But the fact that it's come down, it's hold support, the 20's creeping up, it's holding support, it's going sideways, you know, there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of interest in it. It's just confluence to the fact that it's just building up more steam for continuation in this bull run. So it's all good. I want to reassure you it's all good, but it has got overextended, and that's the truth of the matter. So right now the only thing you can do in it is wait, obviously, for continuation. But I do give you trades in and out on the hourly time frame, and I do try to show you these particular trades. So this one was executed, this played off basically, this short, because I did say to you, I think as I remember, you've got a support line right there on CHILIZ, and I said that if that particular support line is lost, then look to go short on CHILIZ. And you can see basically what it is. It's really simple. It's gone up, it's made a high, and then it's running out of steam. It's telling you that the buyers are running out of steam, and you're looking to roll over, and then you create that key level of support in the middle for yourself. And if you do lose that, then you've got that short opportunity right there, and you know you've got your target from the high to the neckline, which is support line. Once you lose that, look to go short, and you could see that particular pattern and that play was played out. So effectively from there, that was a lovely little short of around 11%. So it was a nice little trade. And obviously when you set your shorts, do set a stop loss. Be prepared to take a little bit of a hit just in case it does come back and have the throwback, because that can happen as well. So yeah, it's all good. So right now, what we've got on the cards for CHILIZ, well, you can see that you're under the EMAs on the hourly time frame right here, okay, and as you continue to be under them, that's not necessarily a good thing. Like I said to you, if you're above them, great for continuation. You got your bullish cross as well, which is good. Back testing support, continuation, hit your head on the 0618. So that's where the key level of resistance is moving forward for CHILIZ, is that 0618 retracement right there. That's the golden ratio. You get through that to get to Mars. I've already told you that. So right now you can see you lost the support at the 0618 and you've come back down. You're testing the support at the 050. If you continue to do that, you could build up more momentum and more steam, because like I said to you, if you back testing support, back test, it's usually confluence to the fact that you're going to hold and you're going to bounce off that support. But once you start testing resistance, it's the mirror. So you keep testing resistance. As soon as you lose that, you reverse basically, and it is as simple as that. So right now you can see that you are being forced down. You're being forced into a position basically by the EMAs right here. You see this yellow line? As you continue to sort of hit your head on that particular pattern right there on the EMA, the 20, it will make you decide whether or not you're going to go down or you're going to go up. Okay, and if you go up and you start to see it break the EMAs, that could in itself be a lovely little trade. So you do come down to this particular bottom to retest this 048, 085, because the EMAs are telling you to do so. You back hitting your head. Then look for the break. If you get the break above the 20, okay, and you start to get above it and back test the support, that in itself is a lovely little long back up to that particular level of resistance right there, the 050, as a retest of resistance, of 12%. So these are the in and out trades. And again, you've got the opposite of it. If you do start to lose this level as resistance, support, sorry, if you start to lose that level of support because the EMAs are forcing you down and keeping you in a downtrend, then do look for a lovely little short opportunity down to this particular level of support again. And that's basically how it works through the Fibonacci retracement tool there, because that's a whopping short right there, and that's a whopping correction as well. So if you do start to see CHILIZ lose 048, 085, then look for a lovely little short opportunity of around 14% there for CHILIZ to test this previous level of support on the Fibonacci retracement there, down at 041. That's how ugly it can get, and that's how quickly the market can change for any project. That's crypto. So do keep an eye on it, and then seize them in-out trading opportunities right there for CHILIZ. So it's all good basically. It's just consolidation, and within consolidation you've got these opportunities to go long and short and trade in and out, and so that's basically it. So always set stop losses and always trade with caution. Take care, everybody. Have a really good day, and I'll be back tomorrow with another update. But stay strong, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay tuned. And unfortunately, it's very flat, and a lot of projects that have gone up exponentially and got overextended have gone very flat as well, and it's frustrating and shaking out the weekends basically. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.